Hi, this is Diana and Sasha.
Today we're gonna show you simple choreography for the hot track.
I don't care. Okay, guys, so we're gonna start from the warm up.
Okay, let's start from the march. We move weight from foot to foot.
So you just walk. Start walking.
Okay, and now let's try to do a rolling action. So we go forward and back, and forward and back. Okay, and let's connect all the steps with this rolling. So we go 1 and back, 2 and back, 1 and back, 2 and back. Take a look from this angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, instead of just walking this way.
So when we walk, it's very soft move. We try to squeeze the floor, okay, instead of marching like a soldier. So we do not pick up legs high. We put them low into the floor, like you want to squeeze it.
Okay, and let's try it together. So we have holding like this. I'm squeezing my lady from this side and from this side, from both sides. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a look from this angle. So we go together. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like breathing together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's do the next movement. It's 2 steps. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take a look at my knees. So it's every time soft, and I'm moving all the time up and down, and up and down. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Okay, guys, let's try another one. So we go 1, 2, it's 2 steps. And also we can do 1, 1, 1, 1. So we have slow steps, which take us 2 beats. And we have fast steps, which take us 1, 1, 1 beat each time. And here you can do 8 hip action. You can do something in your body, or just freestyle like you feel it. Okay, let's do it together. So we go to the right, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Another way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's take a look from this angle. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8.